Hey high levelers, Star here. So you can actually collect recurring payments for invoices as well as for POS transactions right on your mobile device. Let's say that you're at an event, you've closed a deal, you don't want to just send them an invoice, but you actually want to collect that payment in live time and actually just set and forget it. This video is for you. Let me show you how you can set this up. So you're going to want to be on the HighLevel app. Once you're on the app, let's go ahead and click the menu icon, and then we're going to go to Invoices. Once you've selected Invoices, you'll see regular invoices, templates, and you'll also see recurring. We're going to go ahead and create a new recurring invoice for our client. So scroll down and go ahead and select the plus sign, and you'll see two options, one-time invoice as well as recurring. In this case, we're going to go ahead and select the recurring invoice. Once you've selected that recurring invoice, you're just going to want to go ahead and add the customer to this invoice. Now, what are your frequency settings? How often do you want to charge your client for this recurring? I'm going to say once monthly. That's very popular. And you can go ahead and select on the same date each month. I'll go ahead and select my date and then I'll say done. Once you've done that, you're just going to go ahead and select your date, say okay. And when does this end? Now for me, I'm going to create a recurring invoice for reputation management. So I'm going to go ahead and say never, unless the client cancels, then I can just go ahead and cancel at that time. We'll say done. And if you want to give advance invoice days, you can also go ahead and do that if that's something that you would like to do. So go ahead and select that and hit done. Then you're going to hit next. Once you've selected next, you're going to want to go ahead and add your items. So I've already created an item for reputation management. I'll go ahead and select that. You'll see that I have the description here as well as the quantity, and I do have tax options that are showing. I'm going to go ahead and add this particular product or service to my invoice. You'll see that it's been added successfully. That green notification will pop up. So then you're going to want to go ahead and select next. I only have the one item. If you have other items, you can also add that. And you have your terms and you have your notes. If you need to add that, you can do that as well. I'll select next. And then you're going to go ahead and schedule this. So we'll go ahead and select schedule. Now this is very important. If you want to go ahead and enable auto payment so that it's not actually invoicing them, but in fact they are being invoiced and that payment is being collected so that you don't have to go hunting people down for payments, you're just going to want to go ahead and select enable auto payment. Now this is the beauty of it. If there's a customer card, you go ahead and select customer card. This means that invoices will be auto charged using the same credit card, which is used to pay for the first invoice. So they can go ahead and enter their information, and then future payments will be billed to that card. You can also select save cards, and if you have saved cards, then you can go ahead and select that there. I'm going to go ahead and just select customer card, and then just go ahead and select schedule. And you can see that that recurring template has been scheduled, in addition to the fact that payments will automatically be taken out on the date that we've selected. Start using recurring payments with AutoPay to go ahead and start receiving payments in your business in live time automatically. This is not only going to save your business time, but it'll ensure recurring revenue into the business on a monthly basis.